Hey, this is Patricia here. I am driving now. Oops, wrong way. I'm driving now, and I am actually making a video. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm driving. I'm doing errands today. It's Friday. I've been at home working from home this morning, doing things that I need to do. I'm so glad that I can drive around on a Friday and do errands in the middle of the day. Actually, it's the afternoon, because this morning I made a video that I'm going to upload later, and hopefully I'm going to upload this one, and it's about my Empower Network business. Unfortunately, I can't post my link for it right now, but you know how to reach me would be on my Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/Patricia's Designs, and that's spelled PATRICIASDEZIGNS. That's my Facebook, and I post from time to time my business on there, my Empower Network business, and yeah, so you can reach me there. All right, and if you want to join that business, I make 100% commissions, and I work from home. You can do that as well. It is a fantastic way to have your independence and freedom. Oops, there goes my camera again. Sorry about that. You know, I'm not super good at making these videos. I am learning. And that's another way to get yourself out there, is making videos like me. Hopefully not as bad as me, but you know what? It's all in the learning and the experience and process. We have to grow, right? So hopefully I'll see ya soon. Bye.